Hey everybody, good morning and welcome to another episode of Nasty Addiction Garage. Couldn't leave the house without the Krispy Kreme. If you don't... Wow. I guess they're doing some work across the alley. Alright guys, so what we're going to be doing in today's episode is very similar to what we were doing with George's car. So we have the 3S GTE right down here. This is 5th gen. What we're going to be doing is pulling everything off of this motor that we're not going to be using. Obviously, we're going to time-lapse this because I don't want to bore you guys, and I know you guys have seen this before, so a lot of things that I'm going to do here, you guys have seen in my previous videos. So if you do want to see that, just go back to the previous videos. I'll link them right up here so you guys can actually see them, a quick link at least. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to go make sure, I'm going to turn the camera around and talk to you guys, show you guys exactly what's going on. So, as you see, this is just off of the boat, just off of the truck. This motor, we're gonna just tear it down completely. Again, I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse. This is the kind of way it's gonna work a little bit, just so then things don't get very stagnant. So I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling things off. I'm gonna probably put the motor out here somewhere, just so then I can get some light without having to use some natural light. So if not, I'll do it somewhere around in this area. But guys, let's just jump into it. Enough talking, so let's go. Alright guys, let me show you exactly where we're at with the motor. You guys can kind of get a picture of where we're at, removing everything that we don't need. So at this point in this swap, we're going to go ahead and continue removing things to make sure that everything looks good. The motor looks a little rusted up, so we're going to go ahead and remove all these rusted up pieces, because what we're going to end up doing truly is changing out a lot of this stuff. We're going to powder coat, we're going to be painting, so I'm not really worried about any of that stuff. So guys, let's just jump into it and get the rest of the stuff off this motor, and let's go. Alright folks, with the magic of time lapsing, you can see exactly what I have done. So we've removed a bunch of stuff. I mean, I'm talking about everything that we're not going to use. I mean, all that we're not going to use, literally. So I'm really excited just because we are here at this point. This motor, it's just getting easier and easier to work on the more I work on it. So as you guys can see, we're definitely going to be painting the block. We're going to be doing a lot of different things here. Like, we need a lot of stuff to be replaced on this. The block itself is kind of rusty. I don't know, it makes me think like it was sitting out somewhere, or maybe, I don't know, but it definitely has, you know, some, this is like almost like salt. Look at this. So, I mean, I don't know exactly what the deal is, but check it out. So I'm not sure exactly what the deal is, but we're gonna, of course, obviously clean this bad boy up and do all the good things that we need to do to make this thing look perfect. So guys, as of right now, this is going to conclude today's episode. This was the breakdown of the 3S GTE. Oh, guys, you've seen it here on Nasty Addiction Garage. We broke this baby down. I'm gonna take a couple things down off camera, but I'm gonna end up taking this off and obviously all that stuff, or maybe I could just wait. You guys tell me. You guys seen it before. I was gonna take a couple things off of camera, but you guys just let me know what you guys like to see, because if you guys do like to see all the stuff thoroughly the way I do it, then we could do that on every build. Or, you know, what builds like this that I've already done multiple times, you guys can always go back to the other videos and see. So just let me know what you guys like to do or like to see as well. So I'll do some of this off camera though. I'll probably take off this. I already set it on top dead center. It's at 0, so these should be pointing up. The little arrows on the cams should be pointing up. So ideally, things should be good. Guys, until next time, like, share, subscribe. Thank you again for all my subscribers. I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. And again, we're at 10,000. Let's make it 11,000, guys. So again, thank you, and thank you. Like, share, subscribe. Make sure you check out nastyaddictiongaragellc.com. Make sure you check out the Teespring account as well. Don't forget, I got the Teespring account, guys. So I do have multiple different shirts on the Teespring account. So make sure you go ahead and buy some and support the channel. Support your boy. Thank you again, guys. This is Nasty Addiction Garage. We out.
A few days later.